going on out there, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Project of the day is this KX125 seat right here. What we're gonna be doing is changing out the seat cover. As you can see, mine's old, wore out, torn up, got holes all in it. She done seen her better days. What we're gonna be doing here in this video, just pretty much just taking this old seat cover off, cleaning it up. She is dirty, and then got my new seat cover. We'll be putting that on it today. That's going to give y'all a shot what it looks like before and after. Got an aftermarket seat cover coming in. I'll show y'all what that looks like here in a minute. This is it right here though. Standard seat cover going on my KX125 two-stroke here. And this right here, man, I've been waiting for this one right here though, because this is really going to bring my bike to life right here though. I've been waiting for a new seat cover. I'm going to go ahead and get into this video now though, y'all. Alright, first thing I'm about to do, y'all, is start taking off these staples here. I'm going to take off this seat cover here. What I got to do is just start taking these staples out right here. The only thing I'm going to be using is just flathead most of the time and maybe some pliers. Let's go ahead and hop into that right quick. Now, man, there's 1,000 staples in that joint right there, so I'm about to take this cover off right now. For the first time, see what this look like. I don't think it's been changed at all, man. That sucker's so dirty. I had to go put me a glove and wash my hands, man. I'm trying not to get dirty anymore, mess around this thing. We're gonna pull it off, man, and see what it looks like. Oh my god, looks horrible under there. Let's see if I can get this done with one hand. That is. Alright, hopefully the foam is still good, man. I'm not trying to get a new seat. I'm just going to keep this foam right here. It's mainly still wet. I can feel it still. It's still wet, like from all the times washing it and being out there in the mud and stuff like that. Alright, but this is what we got right here, y'all. See what the foam look like underneath this thing. Get it off. Ain't too shabby. It's actually still in good condition, but it still feels wet. That's crazy. Now I've seen a couple people that put duct tape over their seats just like to hold it up a little bit better so it lasts a little bit longer. I'm thinking I might do that. Just duct tape a couple places, especially like here. It's coming up all up right here, as you can see. That's just to hold it a little bit better, so it lasts a little bit longer, stuff like that. What if I can pull this whole thing off? Cause I don't even think the foam is even stuck to this bottom here. I feel like it's kind of stuck in the back. I don't want to rip it up. But yeah, what I'm about to do right now, I'm gonna do this right here off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit. It's pretty much just wash the bottom of it. I'm not gonna do too much with the foam here. It still feels real soft, real sturdy though. It's not in like too horrible a condition. Just right here where I had the hole at in my seat cover, that wore down a little bit. Other than that though, I mean, it's in pretty good shape. I don't know if I want to do the duct tape thing or not. I'm thinking about it. I'm debating. That's what we're looking like, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit, get ready for the seat cover now. Got the seat cover in, man. Let's open it up right quick, check it out, see what it's looking like first. I had my it's a day later right here. I had my actual seat sitting on my register on my vent. And it's pretty much dried out now though. I like the way this feels already though. This is what it looks like right here. This is what my seat cover's gonna look like. It's the front right here, I can tell. Feel like it's smaller. Man, I hope I'll be able to stretch it. It should be able to, but I like the way it feels though. I wish I could feel this material though. It feels good. And when I put it on, this is my first time doing the seat cover, but I watched a couple videos on it. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna put the front. I'm gonna staple the front, stretch it, staple the back. I'm gonna stretch the sides pretty much. Get the sides on, then I'm gonna start tucking it and just stretching it out. Make sure there ain't no wrinkles in it. Make sure everything is flush. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing started right quick. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this front on, get this thing started. This is what the seat kind of looking like. Actually pretty dry. Staple gun I'm going to be using right here, not nothing heavy duty, just air powered staple gun. Get that at your local hardware store right there. First thing I'm going to do is try to line it up. Get it lined up as best I can. Seems like it'll stretch pretty good. I like this. Seat might not turn out half bad, you know. I think the first thing I might try to do is just staple the front right quick. Get some staples in here. Alright, let's go ahead and get some staples in the front of this thing real quick, just to hold it in place. Make sure everything's even. Right now what I'm going to do is just stretch out the back as far as I can. Get some staples in the back side back here. Alright, now we're going to do these sides. Let's see what we got. Yeah, these sides might be a little tough though. I can feel them. They're about to get hard. So it's looking like. It's alright. Pretty much just like this right here, and now from here on out I'm just going to work my way around doing the front, then doing the back, alternating sides pretty much. Go ahead and speed up the video real quick. All right, y'all, here the end results right here, man. I'm pleased with the way this right here turned out. It's a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. It wasn't too bad, man. I just like y'all see I was just alternating sides from side to side. This thing turned out pretty good. Can't wait to get it on the bike now, man. Go to my KX 125 right here to rebuild it. I'm doing. If y'all haven't seen it, I know I probably posted a couple videos by now. Check out that KX 125 rebuild that I'm doing, man. Things gonna be right. Coming soon. But there you have it right there, man. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's been your host right here. Catch y'all on the next one. Go.
Hey, 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 hey.